Hello everyone. Today I will present our project titled Parallel Text Processing and Word Frequency Counter. This project focuses on applying parallel computing techniques to improve the performance of text processing tasks using multi-core processors. As you can see, this is our team, and let's start with the project. In modern applications such as the text analytics, log processing, and natural languages processing, very large text files needs to be processed efficiently. A sequential word counting program processes the text using only a single core, which leads to long execution times and poor utilization of modern multi-core CPUs. As text size grows, this approach does not scale well and becomes a performance bottleneck. Therefore, our motivation is to use parallel computing. Next, we have the approaches and techniques. We started by implementing a sequential word frequency counter to establish a performance baseline. After that, we developed a parallel version using OpenMP, which is a shared memory programming model. We parallelized the text processing and evaluated three different synchronization techniques to handle shared variables, which are critical sections, atomic operations, and reduction. This allowed us to study both correctness and performance when dealing with race conditions in parallel programs. Next, we have the key results. Our experiments showed that running on an unsafe parallel version without synchronization produces incorrect and inconsistent results, clearly demonstrating race conditions. When synchronization was added, all three methods produced correct results. However, performance differed significantly. The critical method was the slowest due to heavy serialization. Atomic performed better but still had contention, and reduction was the fastest and scaled best as the number of threads increased. Overall, reduction provided the best balance between correctness and performance. So, in conclusion, this project demonstrates the parallel computing and significantly improved the performance of text processing applications. However, correct synchronization is essential to avoid race conditions and incorrect outputs. Among the tested methods, reduction proved that to be the most efficient solution for high-frequency updates, such as word counting. This project highlights both the benefits and challenges of parallel programming on shared memory systems. In the end, thank you for listening.